I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room they go by, we can do it anyhow. Ah, you know we'll see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price.
Guys, long time we're not giving a vlog, right? Long time. Because guess what? Why would I get him a vlog this long time?
I don't know.
Anyway, we're out and about today. We're going to check out a beach. I'm not sure where yet. Somewhere up the street. And yeah, it's super hot outside, like 86 degrees. So I'm not really. Is that a day to go to the beach when it's hot?
Yeah,
If you plan.
It's not super hot, man. It's a good.
It's windy, so that's good. But if you plan to get in the water, it's good. But based on my melanated state, I don't plan to just sit in the sun. I plan to just go in the water and
Based on what kind of state?
melanated.
What melanated in the back?
My melanated chocolate skin.
What is an IC?
Yeah.
The Intercoastal is? Eh?
No.
Yeah, the Intercoastal is like when you're in Miami and we are driving over the Intercoastal when you come from Miami Beach. And the Intercoastal is, you know, but up that side here, the Intercoastal is super duper wide. Look how it's wide. It's almost like a lake, you know?
Okay.
It's nice, man. And then each person will live over the side of the road have their own boat slip. You know, them own dock.
Across the road from them.
Across the road from them, yeah. Nice one. At least that's what I'm assuming. I don't know the people them places.
See there? The boat slips or the docks.
And then we're going all the way down the bridge there. See the bridge?
This reminds me of Jamaica though. For some reason it reminds the road, the narrowness of the road remind me of when you're heading
Look at this is a nice view right there.
when you're heading out of town going on the north coast. Oh, the road narrow. It's quite narrow, watch it. Ooh. I don't know if you can see the bridge all the way over there. Like over there. So that there's a bridge thingy. That's the US one bridge. That's you?
That's Jensen Beach Boulevard Bridge.
Oh, it take you to the US one? Or no?
Well, that's taking you over the A1A. Over across the Intercoastal.
I don't know, but that's love over here. I love it.
Somebody else sunbathe. You get a little beach right at the corner there.
So we've been to Fort Pierce beaches. Fort Pierce have a lot of beaches, and then this side, which is more south, the Jensen Beach is more
Right.
south of Fort Pierce. They have a nice. I think Jensen Beach would be the equivalent of
It's one seafood place.
Fish to the mouth.
We never see. Count George. So my next place now, my friend's barbecue.
What do we name them?
No, that's just a tricycle.
Yeah, I'm thinking that this is the Jensen Beach is probably the equivalent of either Las Olas or South Beach.
Yeah, something like that.
With the
that
same
side, yeah.
boardwalk type vibe.
Well,
Based-
no, you
based
have to
on what
go
I've
over
heard,
there.
I've
When we
heard
go
it.
over there.
When we go by there. Stay till we reach. Don't go that way.
There's a pull in here, so just for you to see what it's like.
This is what the Jensen Beach
This is under the bridge, under the causeway. Them have a little park area set up like where you can pull in and fish or whatever, look at the ocean and yada yada yada.
Relax.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, some of the morning time, like if we really want to, we could come down here and then park and jog over the bridge.
Oh yeah, because it has a walking area.
Yeah. So this is a little area where show over there. It's like a park. But it's not our final destination. It's the This now go all the way now under the bridge. See the bridge here?
Oh yeah, this is the bridge I was pointing to from all the way around there.
This is the bridge.
So people just come out here and either chill or fish or
come catch fish.
relax
Come chill.
and have a vibe.
That's how it is.
So you know what them need? They need somebody to fry and sell fish.
I mean, after them catch it, somebody fry it for them.
That too, or whoever not catch none by fry fish. I'm going to sort that out. Fish will be sold out.
So this is the end of the dock right here. Basically, the rest of it is the park and
Oh, it's like a dead end. You have to turn back now.
If we want, we could have parked. Well, look. See, you can actually walk all the way down that side to do your fishing and yada yada yada. But one of these days, then we'll come here and stop.
So guys, if you come in this area of Florida, the Jensen Beach area,
maybe
or the Treasure Coast area in general.
When we're bridging them come up Saturday, maybe we can.
Yeah. And I hear that they have a lot of nice dining options. A lot.
And then this is the other side of the same. You can take this side and go back, like you're going back to the roundabout. If you drive down that side, it's like you're going back to the roundabout. You understand?
Yeah.
And I'm almost.
About
wondering
time.
if you have to. I'm wondering if you have to take that side to go back to the roundabout and come back round. I think that's probably because I didn't see an exit.
It's a guy told.
Yes, you can see the fullness. Jensen Beach. This is the Atlantic Intercoastal Waterway.
Okay, so that's the bridge. Look at that. It's all kind of shoes there, it's all cars indicate that a lot of people are on the beach on a Tuesday. Oh, you thought that was a spot?
Yes, son. So we just got off the highway and headed into Jensen Beach, the first major beach. It's over this side. But guys, the beach full. Me can't believe there's so much people there at the beach on a Tuesday. I mean, it just look like a whole heap of people. We don't know what to do. To turn. People just scatter all over on the beach. So we have to go up the road to find the next beach, guys. This don't make no sense. If you want to be comfortable, and then you see, we don't get a lot of melaninated people. Like what the wife is saying, right, babe? Don't have a lot of melaninated. Melaninated?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we head up the road. See if we can find another one. Joshua told us to do it, but we never dare listen. Because we think so we know. Think so we know. And we know we don't know. But yeah, alright. Mansion here. Yeah, looking at the daytime. Mad.
Find another option, which is a smaller, way smaller.
What do you mean small, see?
Hmm?
What do you mean it's small?
Look at parking.
I saw the same beach, it just have the amenities. The same beach line, you know.
So
when you go down there, you can walk
from
from here, so go down at the same down at the bottom where the whole crowd there.
Oh. Yeah, here, man, say. So I go.
Out here at the beach, and I promise you guys 100% no melanin. 100%. We are the only melaninated people on the beach. We're the only one. But it's a beautiful day. The horizon looks very peaceful and very calm. And the wifey says she doesn't want to wet her foot. And that's what it is about. Joshua is tick-tocking. And we're just out here. Yeah, just plan for us enjoy. As a matter of fact, we're totally unprepared. We don't bring the beach chairs. We don't bring the beach umbrella. We don't bring the cooler with stuff tonight. We're not prepared, you know. But we just wanted you guys to see what it is like out here. Say hello, see.
Hi.
What do you think about the water cold?
It's very cold. I understand all the time. Super hot.
What do you mean the water cold?
It's cold.
What do you plan for going there?
Well,
No, man. Joshua, you're going to the water?
all the way.
Go all the way.
Meaning, you only go put half of you?
But in white foot. I'm not going to the water.
Boy, the moment of truth. Are you serious? Am I worried about here? Let me see if I'm gonna have a problem with it. You see? It cold. It cold. It cold. Josh, go. You better careful. Because the water is kind of rough. They have the flag on green though, meaning it's safe to go in. But in my opinion, it's super rough. Woohoo! Get in! Get all the way in, P. Let me hold your phone. Well, before you go in. Yes.
Mommy, I'm recording.
There's an unwanted. Ooh, ooh. There's a creepy crawly. Oh my gosh.
Josh, suppose you take off.
They can't see it. See him there? He's going in the water. See him there? Lord of mercy, iguana. Why is he going in? I don't need it. Well, I'm not going back in that water. Promise you.
It's just going to cool off because it's hot.
What am I tell you? I'm not going in there. So go swim beside the iguana? No, sir. Watch him head. Watch the brute head. Are you kidding me right now? Can you imagine being in the water and spot that? That just I was kind of weighing my mind as to whether I should go in. This is the confirmation. I'm not putting my foot in there.
If I swim out, I swim out.
Nah, put my foot in there. What the heck? Are you serious? No. Watch him. Big man thing still, you know. After that iguana there, I am not putting foot back in that water. Although him swim all the way gone across the ocean. Don't see him anywhere inside, but it's crazy. Can you imagine if you was just chilling in the water and that does turn up beside you? So the brave people them there, brave people them that over there, so yeah, them are the brave ones. The water is so beautiful, and this is what I realized, though, you guys, comparing the beaches in the Treasure Coast area to the beaches in Miami, night and day. The ones in this area is way cleaner. Way cleaner. I used to hate going to the beach in Miami because of all of the seaweed that was on the shoreline. You cannot stand up in peace by the shoreline without, you know, things just wrapping around your leg. I used to hate it, and for that reason, never used to like go to the beach. But this kind of giving me a Jamaica vibe. I mean, not fully, not quite. They have a little way to go, but I mean, it's nice. Nice. Super nice. But I want to go in the water still because the salt water is good, so what? Look how the water backs you up, babe. No, sir. Then it would have licked me over if I go in there then. Because if it's doing you like that. No, man. Come with the camera, babe. Come in with the camera. Come in with the camera. Come in with the camera.
Are you going to really my hair?
Come, show your beach body. Beach body time. Beach body time.
Come give me a hug. Give me a hug.
No.
A hug.
We do nothing.
Look at it. It's ruined.
Then I go and go wash it with a twist in. You can't wash it out with a twist in, you know. That's the beauty of having twist.
It's ruined.
Too bad. You want the beach.
Can I put on the camera and come in the water?
Yeah.
But I mean, never go into the water, but I had to. I couldn't hold it no longer. I tell you the truth. I needed this. I needed to be in the ocean. I needed to feel the water and the sand between my toes. I needed this. Yes, it is so nice. It's nice. Boy, I mean, it's so nice. But the water heavy, man, heavy. Hey, spend about an hour and a half, and then we're gonna cut, probably look something to eat, and just head back home. This is gonna be maybe a once a week occasion. I tell you the truth. It's worth it. If it's even half an hour, it's worth it. The body does feel rejuvenated and does feel totally different. Yeah? This is the beach line. See all those condos in the background, pier condos as far as the eye can see. Yeah, 360. There's more condos behind me and then condos down that side of the beach. I still look around to see if I see the iguana. I don't see him. You know? But yeah. I'm gonna tell you the name of this beach pretty soon. But yeah, man, trust me, it was worth it. It's worth it after all. Alright, I need to go. Bye bye. Went with shoulder. Now keep back. Get down the pump. I gotta run. I gotta jump. I gotta rumba. Up to me soca.
If you're looking for a beach friendly hairdo, guys, the spring twist is it. No style lost.
So that's our beach day. It was fun.
It was such a fun. And as much as I never planned to go in the water, I ended up in the water and it was thoroughly medicinal.
It was very nutritional. You know, I'm gonna try to get the camera from me. No, you have quiet. Just quiet. Yeah. So we stopped at a little small beach. I think it's Winifred. I not even remember to look on the name of the beach.
Not Winifred.
We can look it up. And yeah. And we just build a vibes. Enjoy the water a little bit and just head back at the house. By the way, the beach where we stop is called Waveland Beach. It's just a little bit up from Jensen Beach Park. And you know, much smaller parking lot. It has a lighthouse, a guardhouse, a lifeguard house. Yeah, that's what I want to say. And it was very fun. It was good, you know. And you could just walk back down to Jensen Beach Park if you want. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yardie Belly TV is still out here. We're still doing what we do, you know, traveling and discovering things. Big up on yourself. Enough respect.